All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I have a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to operate the headlights on this vehicle. Okay, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. I'm going to look to the left-hand side, and you see this knob right here. This knob is for controlling the headlights. Okay, as you can see, it's currently in the off position right here. I'm going to turn it one way clockwise, and now the parking lights are on. I turn it one more notch clockwise. The headlights are now on. Okay, the headlights are now on. Okay, and then once the headlights are on, I can actually turn on the fog lamps by pressing that. The fog lamps are now on. All right, now there's also another feature. There is the auto feature. If I go right there, the lights will turn on automatically, okay, if the vehicle detects it. But there's also another feature. There is the bright headlight feature. Okay, and so I'm going to come up. There's a lever right here. Now once the headlights are on, okay, I can press this and the bright headlights will turn on this vehicle. To turn them off, I just go like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up.